Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in pearl white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior badging, granite crystal roof rails, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5658.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.